LinkedIn is an effective social networking tool for advancing your career. Your LinkedIn connections can recommend you for skills they know you are good at. These endorsements appear on your profile and make a good impression on hiring managers and others who look at it. More endorsements can be obtained by directly approaching people and remaining active on the platform. You can get 99 plus endorsements on all of your skills with the right approach. Hello friends. We are Archi's Top 5. In this video, we'll discuss LinkedIn endorsements, why they're important, and how to get them for your skills. So what is endorsement? When you log into your LinkedIn account, it sometimes comes up with a suggestion, whether you are willing to endorse some of your connections for certain skills or not. A shorter way, if you do not want to write long recommendations for someone, you can simply endorse them for their skills. Recruiters are well known for their extensive use of LinkedIn. And one of the main reasons the Skills and Endorsements section is important is that there is evidence that having more endorsements for the skill the recruiter is looking for will help you rank higher in LinkedIn search results. How to give endorsement on LinkedIn. Let's take a look all step one by one. First, visit the LinkedIn profile page of the person you want to endorse. Number 2. Scroll down to the Skills and Endorsements section. Number 3. Click on Show More to see their skills. Number 4. Click the plus button to endorse one of these skills. Let's take a look 5 methods to get endorsement on LinkedIn. First method. Ask people directly. Make a list of people with whom you have worked previously. Only profiles that are directly linked to yours can endorse you. Make a list of coworkers and supervisors with whom you've enjoyed good working relations. People you haven't worked with, or only worked with for a short time, aren't worth considering. Second method. Endorse every LinkedIn connection. Unless you're a public figure, your skills won't endorse themselves. Like most things in life, you'll have to ask for them. Endorse everyone in your network, and most will endorse you back. It's called reciprocation, and it still works very well in 2021. Rather than thinking about who you could endorse, try thinking of who you shouldn't endorse. Maybe leave out that ex-coworker you hated, and your exes, but endorse everyone else. In our experience, nothing's faster than straight up endorsing people to get them to endorse you back. That being said, you might be shy in doing so we've prepared a few templates to help you ask for it. You can start writing like this. Hello there. I'm trying to boost the number of endorsements on my LinkedIn profile. It helps with hiring and digital presence. I would gladly endorse your profile back. Could you endorse me for writing, blogging, and video editing? I would appreciate it. One more example is like this. Hey, I noticed you like my posts about lead generation, thanks. I'm trying to get more visibility on LinkedIn around the topics of growth and digital marketing. It would really help me if you'd endorse me for those skills on my LinkedIn profile. Let me know if that's cool. I can return the favor. Third method. Join Facebook or LinkedIn endorsement groups. Yes, there is such a thing. Endorse people over there, and they'll do the same for you. There are a variety of Facebook and LinkedIn groups where you can increase your LinkedIn endorsement. Simply look for these groups on Facebook or LinkedIn and begin exchanging LinkedIn endorsements. Fourth method. Buying LinkedIn endorsements. A few websites, applications, and Facebook pages offer ways to get fake LinkedIn accounts to endorse you for whatever skills you want. Prices start from around $5 for 25 endorsements and decrease if you order higher quantities. This is quite cheap, so why not do it? Most of these websites make you feel uncomfortable when taking your credit card out. Be careful. LinkedIn's algorithm is very good at removing fake accounts. These endorsements you buy will decrease over time as these fake accounts get deleted. Experts think these endorsements are not given the same value by the LinkedIn algorithm as first-degree connections, who are also highly skilled at that same skill. Method number 5. Post regularly on LinkedIn. More posts will make you appear more frequently in feeds, increasing the likelihood of other people endorsing you. Make useful career-related posts that others might find interesting. To establish your presence on the platform, post at least once a day. So there you have it. Some of the points as why LinkedIn endorsement is important and how we could get it. We hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments section. It's time to say goodbye, and we'll see you again in the next video.